This is called stress incontinence, and it usually occurs through physical movements such as coughing, sneezing or laughing, which usually puts stress on the bladder and causes urine to leak quite easily. Now, this has nothing to do with psychological stress and is completely different to an urgency incontinence or an overactive bladder. So when the muscles that control the release of urine become weak, which is called a urinary sphincter, any force that is exerted on the abdomen or the pelvic muscles will cause urine to leak quite easily. Common causes include childbirth or prostate surgery. So the next time you see someone crossing their legs when they sneeze, please give them the benefit of the doubt.